Hey creators, Cool here from authorityvideos.com, your go-to AI mentor where big ideas meet big rewards. Today we're tackling a red-hot trend sweeping social media: hybrid animal fusion videos. These viral sensations aren't just racking up views and followers, they're putting dollars in creators' pockets, ready to unleash your creativity and cash in. Let's get started. Here's the thing, Planet of A is one of those trending niches that's still low in competition, but skyrocketing in popularity across social platforms. For example, the YouTube channel Planet of AI gained over 311,000 subscribers with just 84 videos. Using tools like ChatGPT and Leonardo AI, you can create eye-popping, shareable videos that go beyond the norm. We're talking immersive, hybrid animal fusion that make viewers stop scrolling and start engaging. Boom! Ready to ride the wave and cash in on it? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Idea generation with ChatGPT. First up, let's cook up some imaginative ideas with ChatGPT. Here's your game plan. 1. Open ChatGPT and start a new session. 2. Copy the custom prompt I've crafted for you. Check the link in the description. 3. Paste it into ChatGPT and let the AI deliver amazing scene concepts for your hybrid animal fusion video. Example, prompt for ChatGPT. Describe a hybrid between a wolf and an eagle in a vivid, natural setting. The wolf-eagle should combine the agility of a wolf with the soaring power of an eagle. Picture a rugged, rocky terrain surrounded by dense forests under a cloudy sky with distant mountains. Sample output. For first story, separate animals. A serene forest glows under the sunlight as a sleek hyena moves confidently and an ostrich stands gracefully among shimmering wildflowers. Their peaceful connection adds a dreamlike vibe. Hybrid. Amid an enchanted forest, a hyena with an ostrich's iridescent plumage drinks from a glowing stream, embodying the essence of myth and nature. And second story, separate animals. A proud wolf dominates rugged terrain, while an eagle perched nearby surveys the wilderness. Together, they exude untamed strength and beauty. Hybrid. Picture a fierce hybrid with a wolf's intense gaze and an eagle's commanding wings, striding across a majestic wilderness. Step 2. Visual creation with Leonardo AI. Now it's time to bring your ideas to life. Head over to Leonardo AI, link in the description, and claim your free tokens. Here's how to set it up for stunning results. Model: Leonardo Phoenix for sharp, detailed visuals. Style: dynamic with medium-high contrast. Aspect: ratio: 9:16, perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Paste your ChatGPT prompt into Leonardo AI, hit generate, and watch the magic unfold. Start by creating individual animals, then move to the hybrid creature. In seconds, you'll have breathtaking visuals ready for animation. Step 3. Animation with Kling AI. Here's where the excitement kicks into high gear. Animating your creations, visit Kling AI, link below, and sign up. Use the image to video tool, enabling the add end frame option. Upload your original animal as the first frame and your hybrid as the last. Then, paste your Kling AI animation prompt, click generate, and watch as your images transform into a seamless, jaw-dropping animation. If you are enjoying creating these awesome AI animations, then hit subscribe and click the bell icon so you keep receiving these tutorials and generate easy cash by sharing your content. Step 4. Narration with ElevenLabs. Next up, let's give your video a voice that stands out. ElevenLabs makes it easy to craft natural, engaging narrations. Simply copy your script, paste it into ElevenLabs, select your preferred tone and accent, and hit generate. Boom! A perfect voiceover that matches your visuals effortlessly. Step 5. Editing with v.io. Finally, let's polish your masterpiece. Upload your animation and narration into v.io, link in the description. Add captions, smooth transitions, and some epic background music. With just a few tweaks, your viral-ready video will be good to go.
Will hold the
And there you have it. With just a few tools and a little guidance, we've turned wild ideas into show-stopping hybrid animal videos. At authorityvideos.com, it's all about transforming creativity into growth, engagement, and income. Don't forget to download the cheat sheet in the description with all the steps and links to the tools we use today. All right, creators, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of hybrid animal fusions and let your creativity soar. If you love this tutorial, smash that like button, share it with your fellow creators, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what ideas or stories you're excited to bring to life. I can't wait to hear from you. This is Cool from authorityvideos.com, signing off. Stay creative, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.